If you're looking for extreme examples to illustrate China's real estate bubble, it's hard to ignore the Yujiapu financial district. This replica of Manhattan rising out of the salt flats is being built in a desolate stretch of wasteland 150 kilometers from Beijing and more than 40 kilometers away from downtown Tianjin, the nearest big city. Local officials envisage this place becoming a global financial center to challenge London, New York or Hong Kong.
At a cost of well over 200 billion renminbi, the government says Yujiapu, when it's completed, will be bigger than the City of London, London's square mile, and Manhattan's financial district combined. Critics are questioning whether the remote location, the fact that they've built a replica of Manhattan almost overnight, whether that will ever be able to attract the kind of global financial institutions that'll be needed to make this project a success.
The scale of ambition here is breathtaking, but matching ambition with actual demand is the biggest problem facing China's entire property market. For a sense of how much real estate has been built in China in recent years, consider this. In just 2 years, from 2011 to 2012, China produced more cement than the United States did in the entire 20th century. Real estate has become the single most important sector in the Chinese economy, particularly since the financial crisis, when Beijing launched a massive investment stimulus. Last year, property construction directly accounted for 16% of GDP in the country, and much more if ancillary industries such as cement, steel and glass are taken into account.
Back here in Yujiapu, the effects of the real estate slowdown in China are apparent for all to see. It's Thursday afternoon, and this construction site behind me in the center of the proposed financial district is basically abandoned and idle. The government here has already said that it is delaying the final completion of the entire project. Now the question here and across the whole country is whether this slowdown is a temporary phenomenon or whether we could be seeing the first great property crash in modern China. Jamil Anderlini, Financial Times, Yujiapu Financial District.